How to use bYond Card Vault. So on the bYond Card app, you should see in the middle of the screen it says in the vault and then an amount of money that you've got from purchasing different items. So there, if you want to use that money, you want to click on in the vault. Then that should show you the amount. For me, £35.67. Then you want to click on withdraw from vault. Then you want to type in the amount. It can be a custom amount. It doesn't need to be the whole balance, but you'll see what your balance will change to when you go ahead and type in the amount. So if you want to do all of it, type that in, then go ahead and click on continue. Then you should be able to see a message that pops up that looks like this, which says your money has been transferred. It will not happen straight away. For me, it took around about 5 minutes. And potentially you might have to reload the app, etc., to be able to get into the vault and see the money there. But eventually you'll see in the top left hand corner how long it took me. But eventually the money comes over and you can see there the card balance has increased. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.